Welcome to the NJIT website and math podcast. My name is Amin. Today I will be covering scientific notation. Scientific notation is a concept by which we convert numbers that would take up a lot of space into a compact form which takes up much less space. Numbers in scientific notation is always of the form c times 10 to the n, where c is the base and n is the exponent. C is going to be a number such that the highest digit is the units digit. The best way of understanding scientific notation is by doing examples where we convert a number from decimal form to scientific form and scientific form to decimal form. So let's take the number 1000. The decimal point is right after the last zero. We have to move it 3 times in order to get to our base. So that's going to equal 1 times 10 cubed. The exponent signifies how many times we move our decimal point, and the base is simply our base. So if we had the number 421,000, decimal points at the end, we move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to get to our base 4.21. So that's going to be 4.21 times 10 to the 5th. If we have a decimal number, say 0, 0, 0, 5, 6, 1, the decimal point is right before the first zero. We move it 1, 2, 3, 4 times to get to our base 5.61. So that's going to equal 5.61 times 10 to the negative 4th. If our base is to the left of our decimal point, then the exponent will always be positive. If our base is to the right of the decimal point, then the exponent will always be negative. Now let's convert a number from scientific form to decimal form. So let's say we have 5.78 times 10 to the 5th. That's simply going to be 5.78. We move the decimal point 5 times, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For all the empty spots, we just put in a 0. So we get the number 578,000. Same thing if we have 4.21 times 10 to the negative 3rd. We have to move our decimal point to the left 3 times. So it's going to be 4.21 and 1, 2, 3. We put in a 0 for all the empty spots, and our number is 0.00421. Thank you for visiting the NJIT website. If you need further assistance, stop by the CAPE, Kufrin Hall, room 200. Good luck in your studies.